Thank you and welcome back to our channel N95 Pro. Today I would like to show you my Roborock. This is by Xiaomi. The function in sweeping, and also it detects where's the floor so you will not really fall down, and also it can climb up about a 1 inch of a step. I'm going to show a demonstration. And since in my bathroom there are about 2.5 to 3 inch step, so this Roborock cannot really walk upstairs. However, I found the best solution. So recently I got these FedEx cardboard box. I'm recycling them. So obviously you can use any cardboard box that you can find, like from your flat screen TV, from your vacuum cleaner, like any cardboard box, as long as they're very thick. So what I do is that you need to make a shape of flat, then just put on the side like a butterfly, just like that, like a pizza box, but without the other two ends. Exactly just like that. So what I'm doing with this, I'm going to show you where I'm going to put it, and this way that you can have your Roborock climb that 3 inch step. So you don't have to move it from time to time, and you can just enjoy whatever you gotta do and let the Roborock does its job. This is about 2.5 inch. So what I do is I make up a box like flat with a butterfly on the two sides, and I'm using this strong scotch tape from Scotch, and just put it on the stairs just like that. And magically our Roborock can climb this very smooth ramp all by itself. Let's give it a test. When you are done, just remove it. And since these scotch tape are very strong, you can reuse them all the time. Isn't that easy? Easy trick, right? If I can do it, you can do it. Now you can make this Roborock vacuum all by yourself, even though you have a step or two in your house. Every time that you look through your house, there are always that piece of thing that doesn't look very shiny or very precious, but you can always make that into something special. Like in my case, I recycle my cardboard boxes, and I think this is the best solution ever. And I'm not handy, and I don't know how to zigzag a wood or even to make another step somewhere in my house. But for cardboard boxes and some scotch tape, way to go. I did it. Before you go, please like and subscribe to our channel. I will try to bring you more useful videos in the future. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.